Twizy's frozen up. Let's get this window clear. Showing 1 degree in here. Whoa! So we've come to get a Christmas tree in the Twizy.
Cash only, and
Oh, is it?
actual checks.
I knew we should have picked that cash up. Right, change of plan. I'm back in the car because they don't take card payments at that Christmas tree place. So I've got to jump back in here. So I need to explain what's actually happening. I'm picking up a Christmas tree in this car. Well, I'm going to try and strap it to the top. That's what I'm going to try and do. Why not? Mainly so it doesn't mess up Sarah's new car. So Sarah's basically picking a Christmas tree right now, and I've got to go back there, and then we've got to try and strap it on the top of the Twizy whilst everyone's watching. Right, back to the Christmas tree place now. It shuts at 4 PM. We've got 10 minutes. Look at the state of it. Did you get one?
Yeah, I picked one.
Oh,
it was
wow.
a really nice shape, and
That's pretty long. Is it going to go on top of the Twizy?
I hope so. You need to take this ticket to the lady and get the stand as well.
All because you don't get your car messed up. That is so big. We've got to tie it on.
It doesn't even look that big on it.
It doesn't. I was thinking it's going to look massive.
We should have gone for a 12-footer.
What, the 12-foot would have fitted on? So funny. Let's see if we can get back without it falling off. I can't believe this. This is just stupid. Sarah's already gone, of course. At least I can keep an eye on it out there. Oh. Trouble with this, the trouble with the suspension is it's so blooming hard that it's moving about a lot. I'm gonna have to keep checking on it. It's better now I'm on the flat road. Right, time for another check. She better have the kettle on when I get home. No aggressive acceleration, Kirby. And we're back. Are you still there? You've got your Christmas pyjamas on. Did you put the kettle on?
No.
Ah.
Why did you just put it in?
What did I say? Right, my job's complete. What's that? Whoa. Crazy. That's something to do with Trump, I think. Shattered.